Hello students, today we are going to learn about conjunctions. Now it is very much possible that you might have thought that what is conjunction, right? So conjunction is a very new word for you might be, but let me explain to you. Conjunctions are the words which join two words or two sentences. A conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases, or clauses together to make one long sentence. So, students, you are in grade 4, so you might be very much aware about the phrases and clauses. But let me explain you in some detail. These are some of the conjunctions, but mainly the main conjunctions are and but. If is also very commonly used conjunctions, but these other list of conjunctions can add more details to it. So let's start with it. Conjunctions are words that are used to join words, sentences and clauses, and these are listed as so, then, because, for, also, but, even, unless, while, as, that, however, then, whether, if, or, when, until, who, and, which, yet, although, since. So let's have some more meaning to it for the conjunctions which are very much commonly used. So you use and in your daily life, in day-to-day life. You use but in your day-to-day life. You use or, you use so and because also, right? So let's see what is the meaning of these conjunction words. And is a word which adds information or one thing to another. Got it, children? It adds information or thing to another. Now the second word is but. But contradicts or shows something unexpected, right? When you say, I want to go to school, but I'm very tired, that shows that, yes, it is a contradictory statement, right? The first part of the sentence contradicts the second part of the sentence. Contradicts means it's the opposite one. Means first part says that I want to go to school, but the second part says that I don't want to go to school because I am tired, right? Now third word as a conjunction here which is commonly used is or. Now or's meaning is it offers a choice. It offers a choice, right? You can take this or you can take that. That's a choice. It gives you options. Now the another word is so, S-O, so. That means a result shows cause and effect. Cause and effect means I am speaking slowly so that you can hear it very nicely. You can understand it very nicely. So it gives you the reason why I'm doing like this. I will do this so that this happens. I will do that so that this happens. Right? Because. Now the last word here I have listed is because. Now because is a meaning, it gives us a reason or it shows cause and effect. It shows cause and effect. Because this happened, because that happened, it gives the particular perfect reason that this happened, so I have done this. So now conjunctions, it might be very clear from these examples that what are conjunctions used for. Now here again in detail, these three conjunctions are very commonly used. Because explains why something is true. I'm hungry, and it is placed in the sentence. I'm hungry because I did not eat dinner, right? Because is the word which is joining the two sentences. The two sentences here are I am hungry, and the other sentence is I did not eat dinner, right? Now here because is used to join these two sentences. Now the other word here is but, right? But tells us the change of direction and something different. So I am hungry, but I cannot eat. Now can you see there are two sentences here? And which are the two sentences here? I am hungry and I cannot eat. So but is joining these two sentences. I am hungry but I cannot eat. The third word is so, which says what happened and cause and with the cause and effect. So now here again these are two sentences, and the conjunction so is joining these two sentences. The first sentence is I am hungry. The other sentence is I am happy, I am having a snack. And this conjunction is pretty awesomely joining these both sentences. I am hungry, so I am having a snack, right? So we will conclude from this that we can use conjunctions to join two words, two sentences, or two clauses. Now there was a table in a room. These are two sentences, and there was a chair in a room, right? So what we will do, children, I want you to answer it. So what you will say is there was a table in the room, there was a table and a chair in the room, right? This is the proper sentence. Just like this, many conjunctions are used to join two sentences. In many conjunctions, even the comma is used. Along with the subordinate conjunctions, comma is also used. So now it might be very much clear for you that what is a conjunction, right? So let me revise. A conjunction is a word which joins two words or two sentences or two clauses. Got it, children? Thank you so much.